Do you want to say hello to everybody? Huh? Say hello, everybody. I'm such a good little girl. I'm only 14 months old, right? Molly being a good girl today? All right, say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye. Okay, so everybody's taken a nap and everything's nice and quiet. So we're going to do this video on this dollhouse, which is called Windemere. Now this dollhouse is very similar to the one first in this series, which was Tar Kiln Hall. This dollhouse is a little larger. It's 34 inches wide by 44 inches high and 17 inches deep. This dollhouse has a marble paper that is covering the front and the sides. The back was not covered, and as I get closer with the camera, you'll get to see the marble paper and the back where it's not been covered, and you'll get to see what the real condition of the dollhouse looks like. This dollhouse has a lot of trim work, and it's pretty neat looking. This dollhouse also has casters that it sits on, which is a lot like the dollhouse first in the series. This dollhouse has 16 original glass windows. The ones in the front are large. The ones on the side and the back are smaller. And you'll also get to see that the panes in the windows on the side and the back were hand painted. So let's get closer to the dollhouse and take a look at everything close up. So as I get closer to the dollhouse, you can see the trim paint where it has started to have this crazy crackling effect, and it's everywhere. And this is the marble paper that was applied to the outside. They even took a different marbleized paper and did the front of the doors. You can even see where they didn't have enough and they just put an extra piece on there. There's a very large foundation to this house, and a lot of really neat looking trim work. As I go over here to the side, you can see the windows. So the window panes on the windows that are on the side and the back have been painted on. And at one point I was thinking about removing that, but I'm glad that I always sit back and take time to think about something. If I remove that, I'm removing the history of it. So that will stay on all the windows, except for the front windows. They did not do that, which I think I can see why. And I'll take you around to this side. take you up and you can see the chimney. Let me see if I can get a close-up of the back of the house. So there you can see the condition of the back. Which looks like several layers of paint over the original wood, and it has just deteriorated so badly where it's chipping off. So that is the outside of Windemere, and let me open up the doors so you can see the inside. Unfortunately, these doors do not stay open on their own, so I will be holding the camera with one hand and holding the door with the other. As you can see, there are 5 rooms. There'll be the kitchen will be on the right-hand side at the bottom, and then the living room will be on the left bottom side. And I'm going to enjoy decorating this house because the rooms are so much nicer than tar kiln. The ceilings are higher and the rooms are not as deep, so you'll be able to see what's in each room so much better. And then we have 3 rooms upstairs, which will be 2 bedrooms, and I think I've decided to make this one a bathroom, the room in the middle. None of my doll houses have bathrooms. It's not my favorite room, but I have some special pieces, and I'm going to need your help to decide which pieces to use for the bathroom. So let's take a look at downstairs first. You can see that the doors have this brown painted trim and then a tan color. This room has wallpaper on it, and it's in good condition. There doesn't seem to be too many areas of concern. Take a look at the ceiling. The window frames are painted, but all in all, a very nice room. There's nothing that needs to be done. Then if we go over to the kitchen, the kitchen has a linoleum on it, and it is on so tightly that if I wanted to take it off, I think it would probably be quite difficult. And I have decided to leave it on. I don't know what would be underneath, and I just don't think anything else would look as well because this is the original floor that they put on it at some point anyway. This room is all painted. Again, the window trim and the walls are the same color. And if we go upstairs, this is one of the bedrooms, and I've decided to make this one the primary bedroom because it has a silk wallpaper. Well, not a wallpaper, so it's a silk fabric. But, yeah, so this is a fabric, and I quite like it. And the windows in this room are painted also. Actually, I think they all are painted. And then if we move over to the middle room, it has that linoleum floor like the kitchen does. These things here are just little shelves. They're metal shelves that have been attached to the wall. And then if we come over to the other bedroom, it's all painted. The walls and the trim on the doors and the windows are all the same. So I only have 2 rooms that have a wallpaper. The red room, which is a paper, and then the bedroom, which is a silk fabric. And I also wanted to point out that 3 of the rooms have a piece of wood over the original floor. So this is the original floor that goes all the way across. And both the bedrooms have this additional piece of wood on it. And then the middle room has the linoleum. And then the same with downstairs. The kitchen has the linoleum. And then the living room has another layer of wood on it. I'm not quite sure why that was done, but whatever they used to put it on, it's on for good. So it will stay that way. But that is the inside of Windemere. And I have a lot of pieces to go into this. So I'm going to need your help with some things, especially the bathroom. I don't have bathrooms in any of the dollhouses, but I think this one would look nice with one. So I have some pieces, and I'm going to, when I get to the bathroom, I want your opinion as to what you think would look best in there. And also the kitchen has these shelves that are attached to the wall. That one there and this one, they're metal. Well, I guess that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to get started on the first room, and we'll decorate it with the pieces that I have, and we'll have fun. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.